Because this is Antonio Padilla.
Okay.
Okay. You're ready? Okay.
Maybe wait just a second.
Dear guys.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like to
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Comincia da capo una sola. Okay, you're ready? Yes. Dear guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, dear guys. Dear guys. Let us hope that these days spent together will remain in your minds. We have tried to make your stay Naples as beautiful as possible, trying to explain in our English, our culture, our manners, our food, and all we have is beautiful. Our hope is that these days the friendship created not only as in the 7 days spent together, but can continue in the near future. Because you are nice people. That the best friendships are built only by living, and we have built an optimal way, living in symbiosis for 24 hours. And we want to thank Federica for giving us the opportunity to know and live this wonderful experience. And we want to thank you for making this day very pleasant. It will be difficult to return to normal life, but we will try, because when we get a little sad, we know that surely many miles away there is someone who thinks and remembers the good times spent together. If you are wondering why our English is perfect, the answer is because we do not play. And we have a question for you. Who has a boyfriend? But you love us? Yeah. Simply, thank you.
Che bello, che bello, che bello. It was beautiful.